I'm out of breath, and that's the only floor I'm on so far. Thrilled with it. I'm thrilled for the client as well. He's in! I think they're rather nice. Not very nice, is it? Why have we just walked out in the rain? Oh, yeah.
That can all change, can't it?
Right, he's lost his tripod, folks.
Well, it's Tuesday. Enjoying a refreshing beverage. Sun is shining at the moment. I'm sure it'll be pouring down with rain shortly. There he is. There's the man.
Yes, what day is it, mate?
I say it's Tuesday.
Tuesday.
And I say at the moment the sun is shining, but that can all change, can't it?
I can scarcely believe it.
Because about an hour ago it was pouring down with rain.
Yes.
Where is my tripod?
Right, where is my colleague? Is he in here? I'm not sure actually. Let's go find him. Oh, he must be. Must be in here. Ah, yes, there he is. He's emerged from his chrysalis. Ah, my specs. Thanks, mate. Oh, is that what we're hunting for?
Yes.
Right, he's lost his tripod, folks. Everything stop. Nobody move. We've got to find the tripod.
Found it. Tripod found. Yay!
Woohoo! Right, so guys, it's what we're working on now. So we've done the upside down pour, which you'll have seen already. So now we're going to work on this going down. So we're going to work on the trunk. I'm going to work on the back side of the wings and the tail. And we've also got to do feet round the front. Adie's given beak first coat, which, considering where the pour went, I think that's just fantastic. It looks amazing. We've got the eyes in, so we've got the definition on the two parts. So now, today, we're going to concentrate on the rest. Wow, that's been a very interesting few hours. In actual fact, as you can probably see from the photos, we've pretty much finished the Kingfisher sculpture, which is awesome. A lot of painting, a lot of paint gone on, a lot of materials, a lot of brushes, that kind of thing. But really, really happy with the way that's come out. So a little bit of finishing to do tomorrow when we come in. We're in a little bit earlier because we've got a client coming as well, so proper full-on day tomorrow. But as far as today gone, yeah, that is a good win. Yeah, very happy with that. And I think it's looking awesome. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Wednesday. We've just got in and look, ta-da! We are waiting for a client. And even more ta-da, this poor man is cleaning the steps. Yeah, I must admit, it'll just smell very nice and fresh in here right now, mate.
Yeah.
So, Adie's busy prepping. So am I. We're just moving some bits and pieces around. I'm going to get the coffee machine fired up. He's just done some vacuuming. So our clients now should be with us in about 5 minutes. Very much looking forward to that because they first got in touch in October last year. But because of one thing and another and renovations and all that kind of thing, they're only just able to come now. And especially now that some of the restrictions have lifted. So I can't wait to meet them. Right, so a little bit of touching up to do here and there, but we've got to get Mr. or Mrs. Kingfisher out of the pod so we can get set up for this evening. Right, well, that is a live stream broadcast done for another week. Hugely successful, very, very happy with the 2 paintings that I've done. Everybody loved it online, across Instagram, on YouTube, which is brilliant. Look, you see it's raining and it's night time. Oh, it's not very nice, is it? Why have I just walked out in the rain? Oh yeah, to use the facilities. So Adie's just wrapping stuff up now. Lights got to go off. We got to do the packing up. And is it a day off tomorrow? It might be, although I've got a day at the computer and Adie's got to do all kinds of things. So it's never really a rest day. Oh, it smells of paint fumes out here. But anyway, for one day, I think that'll do actually. That's 5 canvases tackled, 1 Kingfisher finished, and 1 live stream done. Let's go back where it's light. Anyway, back in tomorrow. If you're new here and like what we do, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Hey, what's up everyone? It is now Friday, and well, a grey day here in Stroud, but not to worry. So I've got plenty of supplies because I stocked up yesterday, so I'm going to empty the van. Oh! Right then, so as I said earlier, we wanted to look at these few boxes. Let me explain what's going on. So you may or may not have heard of NFTs. I hope you have. If you've not, we'll try and explain that at some point for you. But the big thing at the moment, certainly in the art world, is NFTs, these non-fungible tokens. And whilst most artists and creatives who are doing NFTs and putting them out there for people to purchase are just selling a digital version of the artwork, we decided to go one better and actually see if we could turn those into physical artworks. So it's taking a physical artwork, making it digital, and then actually you buy one, what can you turn it into? So we've not seen these yet, hence you've seen me just undoing the straps. That's what we've done. We've got some prints, yes. So now I want to see exactly how they come out. And bearing in mind, we've never done this before, so this is a real voyage of discovery, so we might as well do it together. But this is an NFT artwork, very small part of a painting, a real painting, which we just turned into a print.
Or it's the peel.
So
on a corner, on a corner.
There's no special way of doing this.
Right, everyone quiet for the peel.
Oh, that's nice. Whoa, look at that, mate.
That's pretty good,
nice.
Right. Let's get it in the light.
Let's do it. Oh, and it's got hangers on the back. Awesome. How about that?
That's nice. With a nice Suarez signature on that, that'd be perfect.
Beautiful. So that's it. That's your digital NFT turned actually back into a physical work of art. I think they're rather nice. Of course, then we're going to go and have a look at the ones that are rolled up, but I thought we'd just start with the one that's easier for you to look at. And I think that's turned out rather nice. So hopefully you can imagine from these, when we get these out to go to the framers, and we'll get them put, under glass and with a mount and with the frames, the appropriate frame around each one, and they're going to look sensational. So it's nice to think that your digital asset, your Suarez digital NFT, you can actually turn into something that's real. So let's just have a look at this one. So I think this is the one I'll really be waiting for if I just caught the edge of it. Not the biggest one, but I want to see what it looks like. Here we go. Oh, hey, look at that. I like that. Running out of things, so let me give you that. Just about hold it. Yeah, the colours look amazing, mate. Absolutely amazing. What else have we got? The proper treasure trove, isn't it? So our next stop will be to decide which ones we're going to get out to a framer, which ones we're going to put mounts on, and yeah, we'll put a little show on and show you what they look like when they come back. Right, bud. Should we go and have a look? After you.
Hang on.
Right, so we're going to go in here, guys. First time after live stream. And we're going back into the pod. Plus I also got some other works drying as well. So this is first look. Let's see what we got. So that's certainly dried nice. Lots of cells. That's fine. I like that. We'll get that out, photograph it. And then the other one we did, I'll pop a link up in the corner of the screen so you go and check out the live stream. Yeah, that's really nice. Actually, when you get really close to this, there's lots of really nice details. So yeah, very happy with that. What we got over here? Ooh. All 5 of these pieces are part of client commission progress. So we're going to get these out of here one by one and get them out on the board so we can photograph them. He's in! Woohoo! We're off to deliver the Kingfisher. Okay, that is a Kingfisher successfully delivered to the subscription rooms here in the centre of Stroud. Job done. Morning guys, well it's Saturday morning, it's drizzling with rain, we're somewhere outside Oxford, and on day number 6 we are out to go and see a client in central London by Harrods. Oh joy! Here we are in Hyde Park corner, and I've got to carry this up to floor number 5. I'm out of breath, and that's the only floor I'm on so far. Oh well. Wow, how awesome does that look as he descends 5 flights of stairs. However, I might say it's a little bit easier because I'm not carrying a giant painting in my hand. But actually, just, I mean, look at the video footage and, you know, we might even put a few stills in. Doesn't that look good? I think if you work hard at something and work with your client and you both share that passion to do something really, really extraordinary, that's what comes out of it at the end. It's been a 6-month process. But I gotta say, that just looks unbelievable. I'm thrilled with it. I'm thrilled for the client as well. Both him and his wife absolutely love that painting, and I think you'll agree in that setting, it just looks fantastic. Wish you could see it in person. Anyway, back in the van for a 3-hour drive home. Well, this is fun, isn't it? So we're currently in central London, big delays with us trying to get out. Really, the queues are just going on for miles and miles, so we could be stuck here for a while, couldn't we, mate?
Yeah, but the client's happy, so
that is all that matters.